Hello everyone, welcome to TECHNIA Sciences vlog, Biovia Insights, unveiling the future of innovation. Join me on this exciting journey as we explore groundbreaking discoveries and cutting-edge tech. Let's dive into the future together. Today, we are delving into the fascinating world of drug discovery with Biovia Pipeline Pilot. Specifically, we'll learn how to explore and calculate ADMET properties and identify molecules with excellent solubility, absorption, and blood-brain barrier permeability. ADMET stands for absorption, distribution, metabolism, excretion, and toxicity. These properties are crucial in drug discovery to understand how a molecule behaves within the human body. Today, we'll focus on solubility, absorption, and the ability of a compound to cross the blood brain barrier. First, you'll need to import the molecule dataset you want to analyze. Once your dataset is uploaded to the platform, you can run the protocol. Once the calculations are complete, the solubility, absorption, and BBB properties for each molecules in the dataset were calculated and are visualized. This will allow us to identify molecules with desirable properties that make them potential candidates for further drug development. These calculations and insights are invaluable for pharmaceutical researchers. They help identify promising drug candidates early in the development process, saving time and resources. With Biovia Pipeline Pilot, you can quickly calculate ADMET properties and pinpoint molecules with excellent solubility, absorption, and BBB permeability. This is a game changer in the world of drug discovery.